Okay guys, today I'm going to be telling you how to make a free Dominus. So what you want to do is going to go to Avatar Shop, and then go just a little help on how to do it. You're going to go to review all items. You're going to go to free and then from Roblox. And it'll show all of the items. What you want to go to is you'll see this Medieval Hood of Mystery. You want to buy that, which I already have it. And then we might also do a Valkyrie one. So get these golden headphones too. They're also free. Then probably get this hat too. That'd help. Okay. Then if you just want like any of these free things, then get them. Like just like free items from Roblox. But okay, so I should probably go with the video. Okay, so anyways, then once you go, you're gonna do Avatar. So I've already done it. And then just get some clothes, any clothes. Do it. Equip the Medieval Hood. And then what you want to do is you want to go to Skin Tone, Advanced. You want to go to Head, Black, and then Torso, Black. If you have free shield on, if you already have like something like that, or that like an actual shield, then but yeah. So it should look like this, pretty cool. So that's telling you what it is. So yeah, that's technically the free Dominus. I mean, it doesn't look the best, but it looks pretty good. Okay, next we're doing the Valkyrie. So go back to creations. I just have the startle thing. Okay, then what you want to do? Oh god, that stupid train. Okay, so equip these golden headphones. Then if you have them, equip the Fey Yoshida hat. If you don't, then equip okay. Then what you want to equip any hat that looks like this. Literally just like any hat that looks like that. Like you've got the Drexel cap, this one's free. Gives you nothing but okay, then it kinda looks something like this. Okay. Now if you have it, if you don't have it, it's okay. I mean, it's still, and then you're gonna, I'm pretty sure you have to get these from Amazon Prime, so it's pretty easy. Just try to set an Amazon Prime account, but I think it is off sale. But if you do actually have this, wait, then equip it, and then that that kind of looks like a Valkyrie a little bit. So if you do have the icy homes, do that. And it kind of looks like that. Oh, you could take the hat off. Where's that? Oh, you wait. How long have people? Only 5 minutes. Okay. Wait, where was that actual hat? Oh, wait. Okay, wait. No, that doesn't matter. Okay, I'll take the old to take the hat off and equip some hail. Uh, let's just. I'm gonna equip all free stuff. The brown charmal hail, look pretty decent, or the bacon hail, or anything else. Looks pretty decent. I mean, look, you got the horns coming out. If you don't have it, I'm sorry. I don't think there is like a free things coming out of your head. So if you don't have it, I'm sorry. I think it was an Amazon Prime thing. So if you did get it, if you equip it, if you didn't, I'm sorry. It's the closest I can get. Another way to do it is you could go to body, head, and then go to where is it? Knights of Red Cliff. Wait, no, never mind. Wait, where is it? Head. Accessories, and then you should see that if you have to get the Knight of Redcliffe pack. You do get this Knight of Redcliffe hat. So it looks pretty good. It still doesn't look a lot like a Dominus, but you could do that. And then if you add the icy horns, most of you probably don't have the icy horns. So if you don't, I'm sorry. But yeah, there's that. Okay, next we're gonna move on to the Valkyrie. Oh yeah, I'm rolling on the Valkyrie. I'm done. Okay, so I think we have like a few more outfits for the Valkyrie. Next one, what you want to do is you want to go to Spalks. You know the Ready Player 2, the Metaverse. If you do get in one of the hat boxes, you get this Spalks crown. If you equip that, and then you add the icy horns. I'm not saying just the icy horns. I'm saying like anything that looks like the Valkyrie flakes. The icy one is the only thing that it's the closest. So if you take off the hair, I think it'll look better. Um, I saw this, but with something else. There was these these flakes. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I don't know why I keep saying I'm sorry. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. I think that might be all for the video. So I guess bye. I might do another little hacks video. I already did how to make your own t-shirt and I'm making how to make your own shirt. See you guys later. Bye.